You're good. Plastering for Beginners, and today I'm going to show you how to spray plaster a room. So this is my first real job. It's actually my own room and downstairs bedroom we're converting, and I just thought I'd try it on a small area really. But to be honest, this spray system it probably wouldn't be ideal for this size room. If you're only doing one room, it's not made for that. Spray plastering is ideal when you've got big areas, a lot of rooms to work through, and you can really smash it out. So I did the tape and joint in before. You have to do, just put one coat on with the paper tape. To be honest, I was very slow, so I need to get, if I am going to keep up with this, I need to get better at that because my taping was very slow and it slowed me down. But there's one thing in this video that really makes spray plastering quite exciting, and I'll get to that. It's towards the later end of the video, so I'll show you why that's quite exciting in the video. But like I said, I just thought I'd test it on an area that not too much pressure. It's my own house, and I just thought I'd give it a go. So watch the video. Again, the spraying could have been better. I think it wasn't the best. I may think I had the wrong tip in, but generally I think it went okay. So this is the first part. I'm literally just applying the first coat. I'm going to do another video showing you the finish, but let's get to it. Spray plaster in a room. See it. Okay, we're going to do a test run. It's the first official job. I'm going to spray this room out, tape the joints. That's ready to go. And we've got an existing wall here. It's probably what I'm most excited about, because actually the existing wall doesn't need any prep whatsoever. It doesn't need PVA in. You can literally just spray directly onto it. So I'm going to start with the ceiling. Like I said, it's the first official job since training, so let's just see how it goes. Let's do it. So what I'm doing is, I'm just going to quickly spray the joints, and then we're going to flatten them in, and then we can spray the whole walls. It just allows to make sure that the tape and joint is bang on. So we're going to quickly flatten it off. Put that down. Got my Nella Mediflex. Okay, so I filled joints in. I'm going to start with the ceiling, as you would plastering in general. I'm going to come down about 300mm, and that way the edges are sorted, and then we're going to run down the walls. So let's give it a go. Nearly there. Okay, so sprayed it, give it a quick flatten. It looks quite thin, but it's actually quite a bit of gear on there to play with. It is still quite smooth to play with, still smooth to flatten. I must admit, first go, it looks a bit sporadic. We're all learning. So what I'm doing is just flattening whole areas that are sprayed. Paying close attention to my angle here, because obviously I've got a 45°. Very nice. Must admit, it's a bit of a low spot there. Try and fill it in. I think I could definitely be a bit more consistent with the spraying, but I'm guessing that comes with time. Right. Good. Flattening it. Find it a bit easier on the walls actually. I don't know if it's because it was a bit easier to spray, I'm not sure, but I'm flattening in. I find it's easier to get the lines out. I've just got to get out of that mentality of being plastered and trying to get it perfect, because it's a system that is designed to be sanded at the end. So I'll come up now. Done a cross trowel, come up. Surprising how much thickness there is actually on there. When you're troweling it, you do realise there is actually quite a bit of substance to it. It doesn't look it by eye, but there is actually quite a bit to play with. It's nice knowing I've just got one trowel. Without multi, I've got about 7. Got a bit of a hole there, try and fill that. And work the edges. And that is it. Okay. Jim's not even here, is it? It's in the garage upstairs. One of the guys left a comment saying I couldn't deal with the noise. I can't hear it. My wife's dealing with it, but... Right. The bit I'm most excited about this spray plastering is because existing wall, like I said, don't need any prep. I do a lot of domestic work, and a lot of the work I do is over existing. In a sense, I can just come in and spray it off. So this is the first time doing it. Let's see how it goes. I mean, I've got bits of bond in here and stuff. Let's just see how it works. Try and get the aim on in there.
Yes.
What's the best way to
turn it. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. I think you're better off giving that just another pass over this big wall.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it's better than that. So accurate.
All level.
What's that?
All on again.
Oh, cool. Few little dry spots there.
Just where it's taking up suction.
Yeah.
That'd be right. A bit more uniform on your next pass.
Yeah. It's impressive though, isn't it? I mean, for existing, you can just come in and spray it. It's actually easy. Is it better? Because for existing walls, it's like the opposite of plastering.
Yeah.
If you're skimming plasterboard, it's faster than existing. It's like the opposite way around almost, isn't it? You can just come into a house, spray it back and finish it that way.
Yeah, but no primers, you know, because it's got the same binders as paint virtually.
Right, is that how it works?
So you won't need to spend that extra money on that.
Yeah. So I've got the bit where the bond in here.
Yeah, just run over it, and then we can always, what you can do is, if there is any shallows that you don't catch this time, in between coats, you can just add that bit of filler in.
Catch it in.
Yeah, with the same material. And even on the final coat, once it's sanded, if you do dink it, use the same material again.
Right.
And once it's sanded, you won't see it, because it's the same material all the way through. So you won't get any flashing. So if you trowed it and then added a bit of filler, you get a flashing through the paint.
Yeah.
You won't get that with this.
Right. I mean, it wouldn't even, the amount of time, I wouldn't even mind putting another coat on it, to be fair.
Nice. Good job.
Getting there, innit? Fourth bedroom's getting plastered. Okay, what did you think of the video? Did you like it? Was it interesting? It definitely sped up the process when you're actually applying the plaster with the sprayer, and must admit it's a lot easier than hand applying it. So that was a first video of the application. I'm going to do another one showing the finish. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. It means the world to me. And leave any comments, let us know what you think below. But yeah, thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next one where we go into the finish. Cheers.